Hello viewers, this is going to be part 2 of the vintage DustBuster videos. It's starting to work. I want to open it up here and see if I can get a look at the battery, perhaps get a date code or something off of there, and just give it a visual inspection to make sure it's still in usable condition, because there does appear to be some water damage or something, some kind of damage on this thing. This one's a lot smaller than the ones that they make nowadays. I don't know where the battery is. This probably has to come off first. Ah, there's 2 more screws. Okay, and those batteries are corroded, so I don't really want to charge them anymore. But here's the assembly. Those look like regular C-size batteries. Here's the impeller. Bearings aren't locked, but they're definitely dry. Regular old DC motor. There may be a resistor there, but probably for charging. Very, very simple build. The batteries, yeah, the batteries definitely need to be replaced. I think there's actually a chance in these batteries still working, but this one in particular where the charge comes in is very corroded, so I'm not sure I really want to trust it, honestly. Well, I'll let's see, does this just come out of here relatively easily? I'm not exactly sure how one would change out the batteries in this thing. See if it mentions anything about changing the batteries in the manual. I don't see, she'll last about 8 minutes. I don't see anything about changing the battery. Is there a battery option in here? No, I don't see a battery listed. Well, I'm willing to bet these are standard, 1.5 volt C cells, but I can't see for sure until I get them out and really take a look. Alright, so I was able to get the batteries out, and so I have it on charge now with everything exposed, just so I can keep an eye on it. It is taking some charge. I'm really curious to see how much it's going to charge up. So I'll let that sit for a while, probably overnight, and then we'll come back again tomorrow and get some more video.